Hey again. I've decided that this is really fun, and that I'm gonna do it a lot. And I don't know, I really like it. It's really fun. I really need ideas because I have no clue what to do on here. But there's gonna be new videos all the time. All the time. My name is Morgan. I have like a lot of brothers and sisters. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos, and really fun. I think so. My hair looks like crap today. That's okay. This is what I really look like. Just one second. Turn it down. There we go. Let's see. Hold on just one second. Don't get bored. It's not easy to be here. I'm super outgoing. This is what I look like. Let me find you a picture. It's on my forehead. Okay, here we go. Looking at pictures of my MySpace. And nice. This one's good. Oh well. Here we go. Kind of sort of like that. Yeah. That's what I look like. But anyways, I'm gonna get off here right now. Please suggestions because I have no clue what to do. Yeah, see you then. Sorry I was rocked, just saying.